Hey everyone, it's Becca. Welcome back to my channel. So I hope everyone is doing good in quarantine. I hope everyone's staying healthy and happy. I know it's been difficult, but things are looking up, which is good. Today's day 69 of my quarantine. I'm here with my parents in their house and my grandparents who normally live in New York City, so we're glad they're here. One of the few days I've actually put makeup on, so I thought I'd take advantage and film. Updates from last time I spoke to you guys, or I was on. I have graduated, so I have my master's. Not exactly how I thought graduation would go, but I am excited about that. I'm wearing Wayne Goss's lipstick. There's another color I wanted, but I couldn't get, but I love the formula. I got one of his glosses too, so excited about that. I got this new ring for graduation. It was a graduation gift. I've been wanting pearl ring since I lost mine, so that's exciting. But let's dive into my empties. It's kind of a, whenever I did my last empties, this has been building up, and it's not all of my empties since, you know, I was living at school, so some have gotten lost in the shuffle, but anyway. So the first thing is the Olaplex Hair Perfector number 3. So ever since going blonde, which I can't wait to get it touched up, you know, I've been taking care of my hair, switching up the products, getting a whole new routine, and this is wonderful. I really do like this, and I do love the shampoo and conditioner as well. Next is this Bath & Body Works Sweet Pea. Now I have had this forever, and it actually did go on me, so that is why I had to throw it out, but I do love this scent. The next Bath & Body Works Triple Moisture Body Cream, which is my favorite, that I finished it up, is this beautiful Day One. I did cut it open to get every last bit. Another one that unfortunately went on me, but that's okay because I haven't had them for years and years, is Country Chic. I do like this one. Next, I've used up countless ones of these. The Gillette Satin Care Ultra Sensitive shave gel. I do have shaving cream right now, and I didn't really realize they were different. Like, it makes sense, but I didn't really realize that, and I think I prefer the gel. Next, I am almost finished another one of these. This is the Vino Skin Relief 24-Hour Moisturizing Lotion. I love this for when my skin is sensitive, and for areas I break out, like my chest and back. Next, I have the Soft Soap Juicy Pomegranate and Mango Infusions Moisturizing Body Wash. I do love this scent, but I've actually recently switched to body washes that are pH balanced because I do have dry skin. Next, I think I've used another one of these up, but this is the Simple Micellar Cleansing Water. I actually really like this. This is the toner I use in the morning. I love this stuff. Next is this Paul Mitchell Super Skinny Serum. I love the smell of this. I've been using this for years and years. The thing about this is it does have a silicone in it, so just know that. I don't really mind because it does make my hair really shiny, and I use it as like a last product. So yeah. Now this I'm super proud about. This happened, I believe, in quarantine. Yes. This is the Macadamia Natural Oil Deep Repair Mask. I've had this for years and years. It was a huge hype back in the day on here on YouTube. But so I got it, of course, and I honestly didn't like it as much as I thought I did. The texture is kind of weird. The scent wasn't my favorite. It kind of felt like it slipped off the hair, like it wouldn't stick on when I placed it. But I did use it up and it did grow on me. Next, I've been loving these. This is the Malibu Sea Scalp Therapy Soothes Away Dryness, Unplugs Minerals from Mouths of Follicle. It's the Wellness Scalp Remedy. I love this. I've used the blonde one as well, but honestly, that one is my favorite, and it made my blonde look really, really nice the next day, so I want to get more of those. Next, this is the Garnier Skin Active Clearly Brighter Sunscreen Broad Spectrum SPF 15 Brightening and Smoothing Daily Moisturizer. I really, really liked this. I wouldn't repurchase because it only has SPF 15. And now I'm actually into the whole doing sunscreen and moisturizer as 2 separate steps. Next, this is the OPI Nail Lacquer Thinner. This actually spilled, so I used some of it. Honestly, like, it wasn't as magical as transformative as I normally would want it to be, but that's okay. Next is the e.l.f. Translucent Mattifying Powder. They don't actually make this anymore, which sucks because this is great on the road. This is like the second or third I've used of these. It usually comes with a little puff, and you have the powder, so perfect on the go. Little mirror. Honestly, I use that mirror every day to do my mascara. And it's just wonderful, and it's great, like I said, when I'm traveling, so sad about that. Next, this is actually expired. This is the Jack Black Intense Therapy Lip Balm, Asian Pear and Winter P SPF 25. I love that it has SPF. I've recently got back into those lip balms. I'm using the Shea Butter one, and I love that. Next, this is Josie Maran Pure Argan Milk Intensive Hydration Treatment. This also went bad. I didn't use it much. This is the Trader Joe's Lip Balm Sunscreen SPF 15 with jojoba oil, shea butter, macadamia oil. This actually looks like it'd be really good, but again, it expired on me. Next, what I've used up is the Lineage Lip Sleeping Mask. I know this is more protective than healing, but I really like this, and I like the scent. Next, I have a few of these H2O Oceans for my belly button piercing, though I think I will have to take that out just because my body doesn't seem to like it. Next, this went bad. This is the Murad Invisiblur Perfecting Shield Broad Spectrum SPF 30. So I didn't use that. Next, I did use this, but again, it went bad because I have so much skincare. This is the Josie Maran 100% Pure Argan Oil, just argan oil, and that was always nice as an oil. Next, this is the Origins Ginseng Refreshing Eye Cream to brighten and depuff. This went bad on me as well. Next is the Josie Maran 100% Argan Oil Light. Honestly, like, I didn't really ever notice too much of a difference, but I enjoyed that. Again, went bad on me. Sephora Age Define Moisturizing Cream SPF 15. You can see I've gone through and decluttered some of my skincare. Next is the Purity Made Simple Moisturizer. I actually heard that doesn't have that great of ingredients. Next is the Essence Lash Princess Volume Mascara. This was okay. Everyone loves Lash Princess, but I don't know, it just didn't do it for me. Next is the Saint Tropez Gradual Tan Anti-Aging Multi-Action Face. It went bad, and I'm not a big self-tanner, though today my foundation is too dark. I just used the sample that I had. Next, this is the Coats The Healthier Sunscreen Face Natural Tinted SPF 40. It's probably really good, but again, it went bad on me. Next, this is the Clear 24/7 Total Care Clear Nourish Scalp Strengthen Hair Coconut Milk Conditioner. I honestly liked the old formula better, and since switching things up with my hair, I haven't gone back to that. Next, this is the Dry Bar Triple Sec. My stylist uses this on me, and come on, focus. Why aren't we focusing? And I actually really like that stuff. Next, this also went bad on me, which is super interesting. I mean, it is old, it's from 2016, but this is just Vaseline Pure that I got when I was abroad. Fun French brand. So yeah, it's too bad about that because I use Vaseline pretty much every day. Next, this is the Bite Beauty Agave Lip Mask. This is their old one, the old formula. I love this stuff, and I feel like I kind of like the old formula a little better. Next, this is the First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Cream. I love this stuff. Great moisturizer. Great for sensitive skin. Next is the e.l.f. Cherry Tart. Whoops, that's the lip scrub. I do like it. Just unfortunately it goes bad pretty quickly. Next, this is a Jack Black Intense Therapy Lip Balm, the Shea Butter and Vitamin E, SPF 25, and I actually did use that one up, and I love, love, love it. Next, this is the Belief the True Cream Moisturizing Balm. I do love that stuff. Next, this is the Proteini Peptide Cream by Drunk Elephant. That was okay. Yeah. Next, I'm really excited about this one. This is the Tarte Shape Tape in Light. I did replenish when they're at Ulta's 21 Days of Beauty. I'm really excited about that. Next, this is the NYX On The Rise Volume Mascara. It's just a little sample. I actually really liked that mascara. I was surprised. Next, also proud about this. This is the Fresh Sugar Advanced Lip Therapy, the Capricorn. I mean, it's just the outside that's Capricorn. I'm a Capricorn, so I love this stuff. This is also kind of a rediscovery on my part. Next, this I finished a long, long time ago. This is the L'Occitane Pivoine Flora Hand Cream. Really good. Next, I finished up a Jack Black Natural Mint and Shea Butter Lip Balm. I know mint's not actually good for your lips, but I love the kind of taste and sensation of it. Next is the TLC for Embooze Glycolic Night Serum by Drunk Elephant. It is AHA and PHA. I'm now actually using a full size of this because I loved this one. I really just felt like it brightened and cleared my skin up. And now I don't like it as much, so I don't know if it's better for me in the winter than the summer and spring. I'm not sure. Next, this also went bad. This is the Good from Burt's Bees. Oh, I didn't realize they're Burt's Bees. It's the body butter in vanilla flame, vanilla and rice milk. I don't love body butters. I just feel like they don't sink into my skin. So that's probably why I didn't use that as much. Next, this is Mario Badescu facial spray with aloe, herbs, and rose water. Wow, I forgot that I'd finished this up. That was also a long time ago, and now I've repurchased that. I used it at night. Another one that went bad on me is this e.l.f. Mint Maniac lip scrub. Next, this is the Smashbox Superfan mascara. I feel like I didn't love that as much, but it was good layering mascara. Next, I actually had this in my collection, and then Dr. Dre here on YouTube recommended it. This is the Theraplex Hydro Lotion Daily Moisturizer for Improved Skin Maintenance. I liked this. It was nice, and I used up the sample, which I always love. Next, this is the O'Keeffe's for Healthy Feet. I love this stuff. I did repurchase it. I use it at night. Next, I had finished the shampoo of this a while ago, and this is the Garnier Whole Blends Replenishing Conditioner. And this is like pretty full, but I'm just getting rid of it. Okay, here we are. Next, this is the Wet n Wild Mega Slim Skinny Mascara Waterproof. I did love that for my bottom lashes. Another one that went bad was this Jack Black Lemon and Chamomile. I really like the scent of that. Next is the Black Tea and Blackberry. I did use up a little more of that one. And then Grapefruit and Ginger. I don't love grapefruit, but there you go. Here is a brush I'm getting rid of. I think this should go in another pile. Next is the Tarte Man Eater mascara. So there's the wand. Has a cool, like, on the end. Again, I didn't love that one, but it was good for, like, separation and stuff. And then, let's see, what do we have here? This is the Mitchell and Peach Fine Fragrance Face Oil. Went bad on me. This is the Priva Nourishing Face and Body Oil. Again, I'm getting rid of that. Seaberry Moisturizing Face Oil by Fresh. This is probably actually really good, but went bad. The Philosophy No Reason to Hide Multi-Imperfection Transforming Serum. Again, went bad on me. Wow, I'm using contacts for the first time in a while because I tried this look to make my eyes look bigger, which I feel like it did make my eyes look bigger. Next, this is the Kat Von D Locket. I didn't really like that. Next, this is the BK Paris Water Balm. It's a lip balm. And I did like this, but it went bad on me as well. And that one just went bad on me pretty quickly, actually. Next, I love these. I've gone through a lot of these. These are like a bikini trimmer, and I really, really like these. If I remember the brand, I'll throw it up. And then, what do we have here? Oh, I went through these Goldwell Carasilk Color shampoo and conditioner when I first started dyeing my hair, and I really like that. But I probably won't repurchase. I have another H2O Ocean. I have my favorite floss for my permanent retainer. This is the Oral-B. Next, I have this Benefit Total Moisture Facial Cream. I have two of these. I'm working on one right now. I just love the scent of those, and they actually have pretty good ingredients. Next, some things I was getting rid of. This is Sin Urban Decay Primer Potion, Bare Minerals Prime Time, because I had it for a while. This is Urban Decay Original Primer Potion, which I love. This Rituals Jinko's Secret Caring Hand Balm I used up. This is this Ico Sport Waterproof Mascara. I honestly don't even remember using this. It has a cool, nice curved brush, so it probably means I didn't like it. Let's see here. We have this Bourjois Cream Blush. That probably dried out. I love the packaging there. It Superhero Mascara, which now I'm on to another one. This Tarte Nude, which I did use up all of it. I don't even know what they're called. Lip balm, tinted lip balm. I used up this Acai Body Power Cream by Sol de Janeiro. That was fine. I really, really love this Blamtastic Skins Naturally Committed Super Blam Lip Balm. I love this stuff. It was one of those like semicircle shaped ones. Another Urban Decay Sin because it was old. What is this one? This one is in Greed. This Mica Beauty Cosmetics eye primer, just getting rid of that. Okay, and the last few things, this is the Monsieur Big Waterproof by Lancome. I love the original of this. This Poopery Call of the Wild Before You Go toilet spray. Used up a travel size of that. And I think that's it. So I am going to try to tally up all of these and see how much money I've kind of spent, but also like got my money's worth out of because I literally used them up for certain things. I'll probably only do the ones that I actually used up to be a little more accurate. But anyway, I'm so glad to be making videos again. Hopefully I'll get this up for you guys soon. I need to set up my my iMac so I can edit it. And sorry for my voice, you can tell it's really froggy. The allergen's been really bad these past few weeks. But anyway, I hope you guys are all doing well, and until next time, bye everyone.